Hey guys, so Bitcoin and the whole crypto market basically pumped since the Federal Reserve meeting, and many people don't understand why. I will explain you why this happened. And this basically is under the radar. I don't see anyone talking about this, but here I saw this that basically the interest rates went basically stayed the same. They didn't cut anything. And what I saw is that here you can see on the CNBC scaling back quantitative tightening. And what this means is that quantitative tightening is basically bearish for Bitcoin and for crypto, and quantitative easing is bullish. So I will explain you as easy as I can. And here you can see now central bank now will allow just 5 billion in matching proceeds from treasury, basically 80% cut on quantitative tightening. And I think this goes in a full force in April, something like that on April 1st or 2nd. Now, I didn't understand what this is, but if you go to X and you ask AI, basically Grok AI says this is actually bullish. And here are some predictions that basically here he says that 5.5 to 15% swing could be after the announcement. And as we all see, Bitcoin actually went up by 3% in the basically last few hours. And in my opinion, seeing this, the AI actually predicts that we could even go up by 10 to 30% in the short term, which is really, really bullish. And of course, Trump wanted to cut rates because that would be even more bullish for the economy, basically pushing the global liquidity in the markets. And that's basically the main reason why crypto was pumping yesterday. Also, there was a great news about XRP Ripple. That's why Ripple went basically crazy. And yeah, whole market looks quite healthy. And yeah, I didn't understand at first why the big news, because it doesn't make sense for Bitcoin or crypto to go up without some huge news. And yeah, when you look at the history, when there was similar, here you can see when it says somewhere, it said that last time when we had the QT basically slashed by 80%, the Bitcoin went from 20,000 to 40,000 in few weeks or few months. So basically every time this happens, Bitcoin and crypto is going up because it shows a bullish sentiment in the markets and the risk assets. What I'm doing personally, I'm still holding Doginme meme coin because we will soon see a Coinbase listing, and here you can see we already reached a new all-time high. I still think we can go to 300 million market cap, 500, maybe even billion if crypto and Bitcoin keeps going up. Another coin that will be most likely listed on Coinbase as well is TYBG Base God. It also is going up from like 8 million in market cap or 10 million. Actually 6 million when the lowest was when the Bitcoin was crashing. So right now we are more than 2x for Base God as well. That's why again, everyone that is following my Patreon, and I am posting on Patreon as much as I can, all the alpha as I see it, I'm posting on Patreon. I predicted right before the Coinbase announcement that Doginme will be listed on Coinbase soon. And so cool that people can actually predict these things, because if you do your research, you can predict and you can see. That's why I'm telling you, TYBG Base God, I am 99.9% sure that this will be listed on Coinbase next. But as you see, Doginme pumping, what you can understand is that all of the base meme coins will be pumping. That's why I bought not only Doginme, I bought Base God as well, because as it goes up after the Coinbase listing, I hope the TYBG will be going up as well. and really easy. I just basically watched what happened to Toshi after it was listed to on Coinbase, and similar things. Toshi went up 7x since it was listed. What happened with all the other base meme coins? All the base meme coins were going up in the price as well. Of course, after the listing, you have to start selling. So you have to predict when it will go at its all-time high and when it will start to go down, because people will sell meme coins for me, not for holding, basically for making money. And Coinbase is the last thing I want for coin to happen. Of course, there will be many listings before Coinbase and after Coinbase. For example, Bybit, Kraken. But yeah, really bullish on current markets. I'm happy that we are actually going up from 80,000 to 86,000. And I think we could even reach 90,000, maybe even 100,000 at the end of the March, because of the QT slashed by 80%. Maybe we will see some rate cuts because Trump is trying to do everything. I think he's doing the tariffs because he wants to for Fed to cut rates. And yeah, he will basically do everything in his hands to do that. And in April, we have some more tariffs, some more panic. I am really bullish that basically he's pushing into a panic, because what happens is stocks are going down, crypto is dumping for a short term, and there is a great opportunity and great big possibility that a Fed will cut rates. And that's the most important part for us to go down, to go up. Tomorrow, we have a Donald Trump Blockworks. There will be a big conference. So let's go to Blockworks. Here you can see President Trump will address Digital Asset Summit 2025. This is the first time a sitting president has addressed a crypto conference. So let's hope for the best. Let's hope he will talk about not just holding the seized Bitcoin, the 200,000 Bitcoin that has been confiscated for basically the crime. And hopefully he will talk about actually buying or starting to buy, or just mention something like that that would make the prices go up even further. And yeah, it will make the dog in me, the meme coins that will be soon listed, go in the price as well. So yeah, that's basically it. And if you don't want to miss latest alpha, you can join my Patreon. Only $10 a month, but I gave you Good Vibes Club NFTs that went up like 6x, 7x up in the value. Basically, right now it is around 5x up. I predicted the dog in me listing. Next listing I will be predicting is TYBG Base God, or the second one is Benji. Benji is another huge meme coin that is doing marketing themselves. They are not waiting for listings. Really bullish on this as well, but I think TYBG is the one that will be definitely listed, and this video is not a financial advice. But yeah, overall, everything I'm searching and finding, I'm posting on Patreon first. Many things I don't even post on YouTube because it doesn't make sense. But everything I find on Twitter or basically private Telegram groups, I'm posting straight away on the Patreon. So there are many opportunities in these markets if you know where to search. If you have been in this market since 2017, 2016. And yeah, so yeah, basically, if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.